Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage talking about some of my favorite products. So today what I'm working on building is some framework to hold a gas tank in this little Model T project that I've been working on. And I want to show you guys how handy it is to have a set of these Eastwood corner vices so I can hold everything square and true and weld all the way around the seam. So let's get started. Alright, so I got those pieces all welded up and everything fits really nice. I was really happy that with these clamps they have the feet on either side of them, that I was able to stand them up and move them around so that I could get around everything and keep it clamped and weld it all at the same time. To check out these products that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the welding accessories that you need to do the job right.